Hi guys! Say hi kayo! Isla! Wow! We're going on a Tinalak!
Atinalak Festival!
Ang Tinalak Festival! Happy Tinalak!
Happy Tinalak!
Call the sister.
Yan, yung mga ganyan lang. Oh. Hamster, oh. Number 5 below the hoop.
I want a hamster. Oh my god, they're so cute!
Kuya, what do you want?